Hi, I'm meteorologist Chris Tomer. Let's talk about ski conditions for the next 5 days, and this could end up being the best stretch, the best 5-day stretch of the season, certainly so far. But take a look at the 5-day snowfall map I put together, where you see the brighter colors. That's where the bigger accumulations are going to be, and it covers all the big areas, all the big zones from New England all the way into Colorado, Utah, and the Intermountain West of Idaho, Montana. Wyoming, California's in for a lot of snow through the Sierra and the Pacific Northwest as well. So we'll start up in the Northeast. You've got a light snowfall on Friday, and then the big storm is going to be on Sunday. So Monday's going to be an excellent powder day up there in New England. Out west, let's go to California because that's essentially where a lot of these storms are originating. Heavy snow, not only today, but again on Thursday. And that makes for Friday being an excellent powder day for the Tahoe area all the way down into Mammoth. And if you're looking at the Intermountain West, we've got a couple of different snowfalls on the way from Colorado to Utah all the way up into Idaho, Montana, and Wyoming. In fact, if you look at the best odds here on the spider chart, I just went ahead and colored the entire thing blue because I think all the resorts have a really good chance of seeing new snow and big snow, really, over the next 5 days. So, if you're doing a Tomer's take on this, I would say I would look on Friday to ski Tahoe, Mammoth, even into Utah. My goodness, conditions are going to be really good there on Friday. Alta, Snowbird, Park City, Brighton, Solitude, the canyons. It should be really good. On Saturday, I'd go to Colorado. I hit Wolf Creek, Telluride, Purgatory, Aspen, Snowmass. Over to Brack, Vail, Steamboat looks great on Saturday. On Sunday, I'd go up to Sun Valley, Schweitzer, Banff, even Whistler, Blackcomb, and then as a bonus, hit the big snow for the Northeast on Monday. All right, thank you for tuning in here, and have a great weekend.